Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Poshmark Q&A. First question is, hello, can you share how you keep track of your inventory and your costs, earnings, profits? Yes, that is a video that is long overdue. Okay, I just said Guys, first of all, I want to apologize. My last video, I said the word so many times, and I'm gonna try to not say it in this video. I just said it, I know, but I forgot that I was gonna try not to say it. So I'm gonna try not to say it. Okay. I almost said it. Anyway, I am gonna make that video coming soon. I will show you guys like my spreadsheet that I use, all that jazz. But it's pretty simple. Like it's nothing crazy. Do you know how hard it is not to say But I will make that video coming soon. Promise. Next question. Would love to hear some pricing advice. Sometimes I sell things quick and think, damn, I could have sold it for more. Or sometimes I feel like I'm wildly overpricing and things just sit. I'll look up comps or base prices on what I have sold similar things for before, but sometimes comps are all over the place and they seem too low and unfair. So I go a little higher. Plus I leave room for offers, etc., but don't want people to be turned off by a too high original price. There's so much contradictory advice out there. Thanks. My girls are having fun. The thing with comps, you're right, they can be all over the place, and that's super friggin' annoying. You know, you have some people that are just selling things because they want to get rid of stuff, so they don't really care what they sell it for. So that definitely brings the comps down lower. What I like to do with my pricing strategy is I always price things a little bit higher than normal. Like you said, to leave room for offers, to leave room like for people to send me offers, and to leave room for me to send people offers. I have had that happen before where I've sold something really quickly and I'm like, shit, should I price that higher? You know, who knows? You could sit around all day wondering. But yeah, that's really my strategy, is just to price things higher than the average comp. I take into consideration comps that are lower. I'm like, okay, this person, you know, probably doesn't know what they're selling, or they just don't give a shit. It's hard pricing things. It's hard. It is, definitely. From the same girl, Miss Glam Bam. Okay. Yay, July has been so good. How did you change your mindset from the start of July, if you don't mind me asking? Taking a step back is such good advice. I literally just said to myself, like I took a step back and I said, Vanessa, you had one bad month. You don't need to fret. July is a new month. Get over June. It happened. It's over with. Get over it. Don't dwell on it. July's new. You're going to do great things this month. You know, I just like mentally talking to myself, you know, just telling myself, you know, you're going to kill it this month. Don't fret on the past. Like you just don't. Just put it behind you. Just forget about it. And that's literally what I did. Those laughs. Oh, I'm scrolling through my screenshots, and I screenshotted this. I forgot who posted this on Instagram, but it's a picture of a girl laying in a taco, and it says, I wonder if there's a taco out there thinking of me too. Next question. Hey, I love your... We need to go outside. We've been inside all morning. It's, well, for all day pretty much. It's 2:30, but we had a really bad thunderstorm earlier where like parts of my town, there was like hail, like it looked like it friggin' snowed out. Like it was craziness. So yeah, so it's sunny out, and I think there's gonna be like a couple hours with sun, so we're gonna try to get out there because they're going crazy. Okay. Hey, I love your realness on your videos. I visited your closet and had a question. How do you determine which items you measure and include in description? Your descriptions are very minimal and preferable as a reseller. So yes, that's one thing. My descriptions are pretty minimal, and that's something, you know, I do think I should change, because yeah, you want as many words in the description as possible. So don't do as I do in that case. Do as I say. Let's say I was selling this shirt, okay? It's a t-shirt, it says squad on it. You know, what can you really say about this t-shirt? It's a white t-shirt with the word squad on it. It's 100% cotton, probably. Like what else can you really say about it? It's super comfortable. It'll look great wearing blah blah blah. You know, like I don't have time to go into like a lot of detail as far as measurements. So I try to measure pretty much everything, like shirts and hoodies and pants, especially pants. Yeah, I try to measure everything. Okay, next question. Oh, so this wasn't about Poshmark, but I just thought it was nice of this person to ask. She said, hey, how are you feeling with baby numero 5? All good? So if you're curious how my pregnancy is going, I do have a vlog channel. Some of you guys probably don't know that. But yeah, I do have a vlog channel where I do pregnancy updates. I am gonna change that channel a little bit, and I will have an update coming soon. Just letting you guys know like the changes on that channel. But yeah, I do have updates on there. So if you're curious how my pregnancy is going, check out my vlog channel. But like in a nutshell, it's going. I mean, it's going as good as it can be, I guess. You know, it's very tiring being pregnant with 4 kids at home, like 3 of them being toddlers. It's very, very tiring. And I said this about my last pregnancy too. I think it's gonna be so much easier. I think it's gonna be so much easier having 5 kids. Yes, 4 of them are gonna be ages 5 and under, but I think it's gonna be so much easier having 5 kids than it is being pregnant with 4 kids. Because, you know, you're just not yourself when you're pregnant. I just have no energy, and you know, you're just not yourself. So, but yeah, I mean, overall, it's going good. Last question. Hey Vanessa, I'm a Poshmark ambassador and I've been applying to be a Posh host for about a year now and never get chosen. Any tips? So, funny you asked that question because I actually just got chosen to host my 4th Poshmark party. It's happening this Thursday night at 10 o'clock Eastern time, which I'm gonna have to take a nap that day because I am usually asleep by 10 o'clock at night because I'm so tired. So yeah, so as far as tips go, I don't know. I mean, I've always just applied and I've heard back from them. So I hosted my most recent party, I think it was March. And they want you to wait at least a month after you host a party before you apply again. So I think I applied at the end of, actually it was probably like the beginning of May. And then I didn't hear anything. And I actually just applied again like last week. And I heard back from them and they're like, hey, this Thursday. Which is kind of weird because usually when I get chosen to apply, it's like weeks. Like the party is like weeks away from when they email me. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really have any advice. Like I said, I have just applied and I've heard back from them. Just make sure that your closet is compliant. You said you're a Poshmark ambassador. Just make sure you're keeping up with those Poshmark ambassador stats that you have to have. Yeah, that's really all I got for you. Okay, so that is it for this Poshmark Q&A. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram. What do you want? Or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.